Alright you guys, so we have our bloomin' Starflower. I just used a lot of pretty colors, so that's why I called it that, but it is a Starflower tapestry. But before I open it, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you are already a subscriber to my channel and you haven't hit the notification bell, if you want to and if you want to be notified, make sure you hit that notification bell and select all, or you can customize it however you want so that every time we post a video, you will be notified. You'll get a little notification on your phone and then you can watch the video as soon as it gets posted. So in case you didn't know, not saying you didn't, but some of you might not. So there's that. We're just gonna open it up. Washed and dried version of this is gonna be at the very end, hanging up on the wall. So stay tuned for that too, because you might not be able to see the whole thing in my camera view. Alright, so ready to open this bad boy. Alright. Oh, look at those colors. Watermelon, peach, sweet pea, and hot pink. Like I said though, it'll look a little different when I wash and dry it, so stay tuned for that, and it'll be hanging up on the wall, but overall good tapestry. Thank you so much for watching and happy tie-dyeing.